What's up, guys? This is the Nike Air Jordan Light Smoke Gray colorway. It's a Jordan 10. I like it a lot. I got it at the Nike outlet. It was 180 Canadian dollars. That is approximately 135 US. Not a bad deal for these. I got 4 different sizes. You can probably guess why. My feet don't change sizes, just so you're aware. Here they are. Just want to say, these are pretty fire. They've got speckle all over them. Pretty good leather on them too, in my opinion. Bottoms are pretty cool. If you walk in the snow, you'll have a nice little snow print. A Jordan 10 Angel, if I do say so myself. Like a snow angel, but a Jordan 10, you know what I'm saying? Pretty nice. I like them a lot. I'm gonna throw them on. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Ultimately, I like them a lot. You're gonna have to watch me throw them on. It might take me a couple minutes here. One of my favorite parts of these shoes is that they're like a neutral colorway. They'll probably go with a lot of different outfits. They're missing metal lace tips though. It's pretty sad, if you ask me, at least. Ultimately, I like them a lot. Neutral colorway, as I said just now. Great quality materials, in my opinion. I think this shoe will last a reasonable amount of time. If you're interested in the denim I'm wearing, it stacks pretty well. These are nudie jeans. They're a lean jean fit. I wear a 29-34. I'm not that tall, but I like that extra 34 length just so that it stacks a little at the bottom. The inside of this shoe says 23 and a white sole. Pretty nice. Got that Air Jordan logo right here. Let's get up close and personal with it. There you go. These are super comfortable. They're feeling a little bit tight for a size 12. I'm kind of feeling a little paranoid right now. No, there's size 12. There's lots of cushioning. If you're interested in using them for sports. Ultimately, they're pretty fire. Maybe buy some better socks. I'd probably wear them like this. Maybe not with the laces so loose. Let's try and fix that. I think this is a shoe that doesn't look bad tied. Probably get rid of the laces though. Let's get some more light there. You can kind of see the denim stacking. If you're interested, there'll be a link in the description. Bottoms are pretty nice, as I said before. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.